Hi, this is Anita from Endoro, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the difference between two UL lamp holders that we use when we're assembling UL certified table or floor lamps. One of the holders that we use we call the heavy duty holder. The other one is called a regular lamp holder. And many people ask questions, what's the difference between these two? Because the heavy duty lamp holder can be quite a bit more expensive than the regular lamp holder. So today I hope to be able to answer some of your questions and to tell you the difference between having a heavy duty UL lamp holder on a lamp versus a regular lamp holder on a lamp. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the difference between the heavy duty UL lamp holder and a regular UL lamp holder. I have here in front of me 4 standard lamp holders which are used to be able to assemble most what we call table or floor lamps. And in UL they call them the portables. This right here, these are heavy duty. These are what we call regular. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about the difference between both of these. For the heavy duty, you can see here how when it assembles, it essentially screws off and on. When we do the regular, you can see it just sort of clips off and on. And then sometimes we have to play with it a little bit to get it to clip exactly right, because it can be kind of a little bit difficult. We have to squeeze it and clip it totally. I can show better with this one here. But essentially it clips on to be able to make it tight. So that's the main difference between these two lamp holders is the outer casing or the outer shell. When you look at these two and you just compare them, let's compare here the brass, you can see that this one is actually made from a solid brass material, where this one is, the brass color is quite a bit of a different color here. This is because this is, as it says, it's a brass material. And the heavy duty ones usually always come with this type of brass knob on and off switch. Sometimes for our regular ones, we do assemble also. Show you here, you can take this off here. And you can actually switch, and sometimes we will put a brass knob on a regular socket. So to really look at the difference between these two, you need to really look at this part here and how it is screwed or assembled in. Now here's something that many people will not tell you, but the truth is that essentially this part of the socket here, which we're using, is the same for both of them. This is the part of the socket which is used. I have to get it going right here. This is the part of the socket which is used here to put the light bulb in. I'm going to reassemble it here, show you how easy it is. Everything just sort of neatly screws in together. You can see the light bulb goes essentially the same into both sockets. So as far as it goes for the light bulb or the light or the inner electrical parts, it's the same. The main difference is the outer part. Now, if I was buying a lamp that was a very expensive lamp from a high-end lamp supplier, I would expect them to use heavy-duty UL parts. Almost all of my high-end lamp suppliers will always ask for heavy-duty UL parts. And if you're buying just a normal lamp or a lamp that you're buying at a place like TJ Maxx or some other store like that, they probably will use regular parts, which is just fine, because the parts will work exactly the same or essentially the same as the heavy-duty UL parts. The other thing you want to look for when you do it here, you will see there's some stamps here which talk about what kind of UL it is on it itself. And that's also important to know that they've all been UL certified. But if you're buying from a UL certified supplier, or there's a sticker on there, it should already be UL certified. I have here 2 lamps. This lamp right here is using the heavy-duty UL socket. This lamp right here is using the regular UL socket. And as you can see, compared to them side by side with relatively similar shades, the look is about the same. And this is because the only difference is the socket, but all the UL electrical parts are exactly the same. If you have any need to develop any UL certified lighting, home decor, or home furnishing products here in Asia, we would love to hear from you and have you come visit us. Our doors are always open. You can also contact me directly, Anita, at sales@mindoro.com. We would love to hear from you. We'd also love to have you be part of our YouTube community by subscribing to our YouTube channel.